Welcome. If you're looking to remove the location pinned to your Facebook page's cover photo using the latest Facebook app update on your PC, you're in the right place. Just follow these easy steps and you'll have your page looking exactly the way you want in no time. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're in, head right to the top of the page and click on your profile photo. This takes you directly to your main Facebook profile. Now, once you're on your profile, look for the section labeled Pages on the left sidebar or up top, depending on the layout. Click the name of the page where you want to change the cover photo location. With your page open, hover your mouse over the cover photo itself. You'll see some option buttons appear near or under the image. Click directly on the cover photo. A new view will pop up, and from here, look just under the photo for the 3 dots. This is your options menu. Click on these 3 dots. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Edit Location. You should now see the current location that's attached to your page's cover photo. To remove it, simply click or tap the X or Remove button next to the listed location. If there isn't an explicit remove option, try deleting any address or location text from the field, then save your changes. That's it. The old location is now removed from your page cover photo. Give your page a quick refresh to make sure the changes have taken effect. This quick process helps keep your Facebook page looking tidy and avoids sharing extra details you might not want to display. If you need to add a new location in the future, just come back to the same spot and enter whatever location you need. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to check out more tips for keeping your Facebook page up to date.